Delgado. Second place is Michael Bautista. Michael Bautista. Si Polong Santos. Polo Bautista. And first place goes to Neil Goco.
Neil Goco.
Wala. Representative.
Bakit na lang ba?
Okay, so no representative. So, under the front wheel stock car, I have here first place Mr. Ernest Cesar. For front wheel stock EFI, third is Carlo Delgado, second is Michael Bautista, and first is Neil Goco. Congratulations. To Ryan Sulaybar. Ryan. Representative. Nakaka-hard.
Representative. Good job, good job.
And first place goes to Patrick Bautista. Patrick. Yay! Congrats. So again, for front wheel modified, first place is Patrick Bautista, second place is Ryan Sulaybar, and third place is Michael Bautista. Congrats. Yan naman ko dito, Harlan. Representative of Mr. Ryan Sulaybar.
Alright.
Okay, for the open class B front wheel, we only have one winner, Paulo Bautista. Wow.
Good job.
Youngest slalom chaser, Paulo Bautista. And then for the real wheel stock card, the award goes to Reginald Pineda. Reginald.
Alright, thank you very much.
Any Reginald? And next is the rear wheel stock EFI. Siyempre, sino pa nga ba? Si Jay Lozada. Jay! Gusto ko lang ulit i-acknowledge si Jay sa pagtulong niya nung last na car drop event. Thank you very much, Jay.
Congrats.
Nananawagan po sa hopay dyan sa labas. Sana magpalaro kayo dyan sa labas.
Ikot naman daw. Sayang daw yung ticket ng mga sasakyan, no?
Palaro daw sila, palaro.
Oo, palaro naman daw kahit isang ikot lang. So, next category, rear wheel modified. Second placer goes to Mr. Joma Montaner. Representative of Joma, Budi. Yan na, si Budi. Speech. First placer goes to, again, Reginald Pineda. So again, like the color, I have here in front Ryan Sulaybar for front wheel full stock. For open class B front wheel, Paulo Bautista. For rear wheel stock card, Reginald Pineda. For rear wheel stock EFI, Jay Lozada. And for the rear wheel modified, first place is Reginald Pineda and second is Joma Montaner.